Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new product that could be the perfect solution for your lawn, particularly during winter. You may have heard of ColourGuard, an organic pigment that improves the colour of your lawn and helps to protect it from the harsh conditions of winter. But did you know there's a new improved version of ColourGuard now available? Introducing ColourGuard Plus. This new formula now includes a liquid fertiliser as well. This combination of vital micronutrients with an organically derived pigment will improve both the appearance and the health of your lawn at the same time. The nutrients in this formula provide over 6.7% nitrogen, of which 3.7% is organically derived from other plant material, 6% magnesium, 7.8% sulfur, 4% iron, 2% manganese, 1% zinc, and trace amounts of boron and copper. ColourGuard Plus is available in the existing 2 litre ready-to-use bottle and the 100ml concentrate. If your lawn's lost some colour and needs a boost, ColourGuard Plus could be the perfect solution for your lawn all year round. To find your local stockist or to order online, visit the Lawn Solutions website. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and we hope to catch you next time.